Hi, my name is Tommy, and like you, I also am tired of hearing about the same products over and over again. So I took it upon myself to find the craziest, most amazing products you might ever see. Welcome to my channel. Let's begin. Here's Tommy. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Today, we continue on the unboxing everything episode. On this episode, we're going to be unboxing another Kickstarter product. This time, it's the LoopMount. What is it? Easy. It's a loop and it's a mount. Of course it is. What is it exactly? It's a bicycle mount. Here we go. The minimal bicycle phone mount. Fairly simple design, but very clean. Very good looking. It's very heavy, so it feels very sturdy. It comes with an it comes with an adjustment. So depending on the size, the tube size of your bike, so it fits snugly. This basically goes on the bike. You just open this up, pull it out, and your phone goes in there. It doesn't pivot, but it works. Let's see if my phone can fit in here. Okay, so basically this opens up, your phone goes in here, and you have your phone held to your handlebars. So a very minimal design for something very important, and it feels very sturdy in the hands. I'm going to be testing it out and letting you know how it goes. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing to my channel, and also hit the notification bell to get notified of my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.